Alright, so 2026 is just around the corner, and if one of your goals is to level up your cloud skills, I've got a cool opportunity for you. My friends at KodeKloud have just launched a 100 Days of Cloud Challenge, and it's completely free to join. Every day for 100 days, you'll be given a hands-on task to complete, 50 using AWS and 50 using Azure. The tasks start from a beginner level and then slowly progress into intermediate and advanced. By day 100, you'll have a public cloud portfolio with 100 tasks of what you built, multi-cloud confidence with knowledge of both AWS and Azure, and thirdly, a KodeKloud verified badge. Sounds pretty cool, right? You can sign up to the challenge right now using the link in the description below. But if you want a quick preview, keep watching. Alright, so here we are on the KodeKloud dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to navigate to the 100 Days of Cloud Challenge. All you have to do is click on Job Prep up the top here, and then click on 100 Days of Cloud. You can see that they have the challenge for both AWS and Azure, and you can also check out the 100 Days of DevOps challenge. But what I'll do here is click on Start, and you'll be able to see all the challenges from the 100 days. I'm currently on day 2 because I just started yesterday, but what I'll do is click on Start and wait for the lab to get provisioned. Cool, so on the left here we have a real world scenario, and the task here is to create a new security group. What we can simply do is click on the console URL for our AWS environment, and we can type in the username and password. So this challenge has a few steps. First, we have to name the security group and add the description. And then after that, we have to add some inbound rules. What I'll do is just complete the first 2 steps, and I'll leave it up to you to complete the rest. In order to create a new security group, what we'll do is type in security group in the search bar, and then click on this. We'll select create security group and then enter the details. So for the name, let's copy and paste this, and then add this for the description as they wanted us to. The next 2 steps in this challenge is to add in these inbound rules, but I'll leave it up to you to complete. I can scroll down and then click on create security group. Then just like that, our security group is created. Once you fully complete the task, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom here and then click on check. And KodeKloud will verify if you've completed the task successfully. So yeah, as you could see, day 2's challenge was pretty simple, but as I mentioned earlier, it starts off with beginner, and then as you progress, the challenges become harder and harder. I guess that way you won't be overwhelmed initially, and you can slowly increase your knowledge. Day 50, for example, sounds a lot more advanced, so expanding EC2 instance storage for development needs. Okay, let me know in the comments if you end up joining the challenge. As I've said, it's completely free, and you can sign up with the link in the description. Happy holidays everyone, and I'll see you in the new year with more cloud, tech, and AI videos. Alright, bye for now.